right, Rohan?
Alright, so my name is Ruhaan, and I made a web page about myself. I'm telling you a little bit about myself. So basically, it looks like this, and it just tells you a little bit about me, some things that I like, so, like a general summary of myself. And here's a personal message, and it's also linked to another web page that I made, and it's a blog, and it's just also some things that I made, and the code for that is right here. So this is for the blog, and it's basically has the headers and everything, and then this is my competition. It's basically the actual page.
Can you show us the CSS?
Yes.
Okay.
So
yeah.
So basically, it's just I'm designing it with the classes and just matching them, and yeah.
Great. Can you show us the webpage one more time?
Yeah.
That's hard to start with.
This is the blog that it's linked to, and this is the main page.
Great. Skip.
Thanks.
Good job, Rohan. I really loved it. I loved it, and I appreciate that stuff, and it really looks really cool. So I'm gonna stop the recording and send it for the review later after the lesson. Great job. Thank you, Rohan, for submitting your compilation project.
You're welcome.